Okay. Hi again, my name is Maria. I'm with Minoria. I'm introducing our Business Equality Contracting Continuation Workshop Program. As explained in our prior video of how these workshops work, I am going to be explaining the topics and a little brief of the content that we're going to review at these workshops. Like I mentioned, there's going to be 4 pillars, and pillar number 1 is related to programs, associations, resources, and certifications. If you're a contractor out there that knows that you need to be certified and you just need a little bit of a push because you haven't been able to do it, or you just want to understand how the certification process goes, this is a pillar and a workshop session for you. Not to mention all the resources that are available that we're going to be sharing according to associations that have it, or organizations that nonprofit organizations that have these subsidized resources, have access to capital opportunities or education opportunities that you can take advantage. Now the second pillar has to do with corporate finance, growth, bonding, and access to capital. A lot of contractors out there, that's one of the these are one of the topics that are much needed to get a better grasp and understanding of what to do and how to structure your finances in a way where it'll give you more opportunities to have funding, to get bonding, and opportunities for larger contracts as you continue to grow. So make sure to register on that, don't miss out. And again, these pillars are available individually. So if your company feels that you need to get, let's say, a leadership to understand something about compliance and legalities, pillar number 3 would be a good pillar for you to take advantage of. And we highly recommend to participate in all the pillars. But if you just feel the need that you need to get educated on one specific pillar, you are also welcome to do that. Pillar number 3 has to do with legalities and compliance. This is another hurdle a lot of contractors need to overcome. Sometimes you can execute on the project, but it's another story when it comes to submitting paperwork, making sure that you have a good knowledge of the systems that cities and federal entities or private organizations and contractors use to be able to communicate or submit paperwork such as certified payroll or anything that has to do with safety compliance. So make sure to participate on this and register on this pillar. Now, and finally, pillar number 4 has to do with business development, strategic preparation for opportunity. Business development is an important topic, and sometimes because a contractor is very busy and their team is very busy looking for opportunity and executing on the projects that they already have, sort of leave away the relationship building that you need to do within your company, so that a lot of the organizations that are looking for contractors to perform on projects, so they understand that you're available and ready to grasp that opportunity. Sometimes a lot of businesses miss out on opportunity because they don't have a proper strategic marketing plan, and they don't know how to measure execution. And in this pillar, you're going to be able to learn that. You're going to be able to understand and learn how to navigate into certain portals to be able to take advantage of identifying contracting opportunities suitable and within your capacity. So make sure to register on that pillar and many others. If you need some information, additional information, make sure to reach out to us. My name is Andrea with Minoria. We're going to continue sending emails with flyers, providing you guidance of where to register, how to go. Like I said on our previous message or previous video, these pillars will start, or these workshop sessions will start on July of 2023. And upon showing your dedication, your commitment, we will identify 10 companies, 10 large or 10 contractors that we are going to unite to support and empower and help them with all the tools, resources, and back office support to get them to that to the next level. So register, hope to see you, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.